Women bandits of Ngariyan Sani Golai Ima Lairembi market condemn threatening of the watchman of the market by unknown miscreants under Andhra police station. Speaking to media persons, one woman vendor of the Ima Loitongbam Jamuna said that the incident took place on August 27th at around 8 p.m. when 4 or 5 miscreants came in a van and threatened the watchman, mentioning of an incident that happens on August 15th in the market. Jamuna urged the concerned authority to look into the matter and appeal the incident not to be repeated and further warned the threateners to take responsibility if any unwanted incident come out of it.
Gari bel amada moi mari manga tongaga wahai nataba hairaga kianba khanganba tawbi adu do masigi tang kun tariat ki nundang pung nipan taba matamda adubu akoina masigi kaithen sida laita laira tawraga tawriba sida akoigi awa na puriba angang duda kihan khon ba tawi adugi kihalibado masida thoiba botona adugi